Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Stella Academy has produced Goa's best results in JEE Main 2024. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12.
As you know, NIT Goa recently shifted to its new campus. Since last 14 years, we were at Pharmagudi Ponda campus. Okay, and when we were in Ponda campus, we have conducted Neet. We were one of the Neet center. Neet exam is conducted by National Testing Agency, NTA. Okay, so they do all the logistics. Okay, in Goa there are total 6 to 7 or even more than that centers. One of them is NIT Goa. Now, what is our apprehension? Typically, if suppose one NEET candidate comes from Karwar, gets down at Kadamba bus stand and tell Autowala that please take me to NIT Goa. Inadvertently, fellow may take him or her to Ponda campus. That should not happen. That is why we are taking your help to please publicize this, that now NIT Goa is at Konkani. All NEET candidates should go to Konkani campus. That is the basic this thing. Inadvertently, nobody should reach to this campus.
आम्ही सध्या असा कुपय NIT कॅम्पसाच्या भायर आनी तुमकां खबर आसतली नीटची एग्जाम जी आसा ती 5 मे थारायल्ली आसा आनी भुरग्यांक अशें कळयलें आसा की एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटान की येता त्या 5 मे रोजी ही जी नीटची एग्जाम आसा ती कुपय जातली आनी जे फोंड्या जे कॅम्पस आसा NITचे थंय वचपाचें ना अशें त्यांनी कळीत केलेलें आसा. सो येता ते 5 मे रोजी प्रत्येकान दखल घेवची की स्टुडंट्सांनी जो नीटची एग्जाम जातली ती कुपय जातली. प्रुडंटा खातीर कुपयच्यान रुपेश राव.